Good morning and Jai Hind to all. Last video we discussed some trigonometry function. Using some trigonometry function we find the values, I mean the trigonometry function lies in any quadrant, and we find other trigonometry function values. Okay, today we like to discuss a new portion, that is new reduction formula. You already know the values of trigonometry function. First video we discussed values of trigonometry function: sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Similarly, cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90. That's all. But if the values are greater than 90, it's very difficult to find directly. At that time, we use reduction formula. Actually, reduction formula, there are 8 reduction formula. That means in a plane there exist 4 quadrants. Already know. It's a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and it's a fourth quadrant. Here the angle start with here. It's 0. It's 0. In x-axis and right side we take 0. Then rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Here we get an angle is 90 degree. Here we get 180 degree. Here we get answer 270 degree. Here is again 360 degree. Actually 360 degree is equal to 0 degree vector. Okay. The reduction formula is in each 90 degree we get a reduction formula. That means sin 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta is also reduction formula. 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, and 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta are all reduction formula. But we by heart only 3 reduction formula. That is enough for finding all other values. This is a simple technique. Okay. First we develop 180 minus theta. That is sin 180 minus theta. First we want to find sin 180 minus theta. What is sin 180 minus theta? If you sin 180 minus theta, then first of all you write the same function, that is sin theta. For finding sin 180 minus theta, first you write sin theta. Same function, first you write the same function sin theta. Then you check which quadrant this function lies. Angle rotate in 0 to 90, 90 to 180, then 180 to 270, then 270 to 360. Here 180 minus mean they lies in which quadrant? 180 minus mean they lies in which quadrant? They lies in second quadrant. 180 minus mean they lies in second quadrant. You know, here all trigonometry functions are positive. Here sin and cosec are positive. Here tan and cot are positive. Here cos and sec are positive. Since 180 minus lies in second quadrant, where sin and cosec are positive, our function is sin, and therefore we get answer plus sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta, answer is sin theta. Then cos 180 minus theta. First of all, write the same function, that is cos theta. Then check 180 minus lies in second quadrant, where sin and cosec are positive, but cos is negative. Then tan 180 minus theta is equal to, first we write the same function tan theta. They lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Sin is positive, tan is negative. Similarly, other 3, that is cosec 180 minus theta, similar to sin, that is minus cosec theta. Sec of 180 minus theta, we get answer minus secant theta. Sorry, plus cosec theta, and last cot 180 minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Okay, here cosec 180 minus theta is similar to sin, that is plus cosec theta. That's all. If you want to by heart, that's okay. Otherwise, easily we find the values using this reduction formula. That will be discussed later. Okay, next reduction formula is 180 plus theta. Okay. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. Here 0, 90, 180, 270. Okay. Now we find sin 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. First you write the same function, that is sin theta. First you write the same function sin theta. 180 plus mean they lies in which quadrant? 180 plus mean they lies in third quadrant. You know, all positive. Here sin and cosec positive. Here tan and cot positive. Here cos and sec positive. That means 180 plus mean they lies in third quadrant where tan and cot are positive but sin is negative. That is sin 180 plus theta, answer is minus sin theta. Then cos 180 plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta. First of all, write the same function cos theta. And they lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant where tan and cot are positive, cos is negative. Then tan 180 plus theta. It's also like same. First you write the same function tan theta. They lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant, tan is negative. Then cosec, sorry, because the lies in third quadrant, tan is positive. Then cosec 180 plus theta. Cosec 180 plus theta is similar to sine, that is minus cosecant theta. Sec of 180 plus theta is similar to cos, that is minus sec theta. And last, cot of 180 plus theta is similar to tan, that is plus cot theta. Okay. In 180 plus theta, here tan and cot are positive. All other trigonometry function using reduction formula 180 plus theta, we get negative values. We get the same trigonometry function value. Okay. Now, one more reduction formula, you can by heart one more reduction formula, that is 360 minus theta. That is enough for finding all values. 0, 90, 180, 270 is also equal to 360. Okay. Writing like this. Here all positive. Here sin and cosec positive. Here tan and cot positive. Here cos and sec positive. Sin 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. 360 minus mean they lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. First you write the same function, that is sin theta, and they lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, sin is negative. Then cos 360 minus theta. They same function, we get answer cos theta, and they lies in fourth quadrant where cos is positive. Then tan 360 minus theta equal to, first you write the same function, they lies in fourth quadrant where tan is negative. Then cosec 360 minus theta is equal to similar to sine, that is minus cosecant theta. Then sec of 360 minus theta is equal to similar to cos, that is sec theta plus sec theta. And last, cot of 360 minus theta equal to minus cot theta. That's all. Okay, you already know the values between 0 to 90. But now we find the values greater than 90 values. Okay, now start the problem. The values of trigonometry functions are, you already know, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 is already know. Sine correspond to value 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Cos value correspond to 1, then root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0 and tan correspond to 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 and not defined. Okay, it's already learned our first video. Okay, now find the value of sine 120. How to find sine value of sine 120? Okay, 0 is 90 degree, is 120 degree, 270 degree is also equal to 360 degree. Okay, sine 120 lies in 180. 120 lies in which quadrant? Lies between 90 and 180. That means 120 lies in second quadrant. First of all, using reduction formula, sine 120 can written as 180 minus 60. You know 180 minus 60, 120. So write sine 180 minus 60. You know in sine 180 minus theta, we write same function, that is sine theta. Theta corresponds to 60. Then check which quadrant they lie. They lie in second quadrant where sine is positive, that is plus sine 60, and the value of sine 60, you know, answer is root 3 divided by 2. That's all. The value of sine 120, answer is root 3 by 2. Okay, similarly find cos 150. Cos 150 is equal to, first you using reduction formula, your cos 150 can written as 180 minus 30 is equal to, 180 minus means they lies in which quadrant? The second quadrant. First of all, it is the same function, that is cos 30, because you know cos 180 minus theta, answer is cos theta. First you write the same function, then you check the sign of the values. Sine, they lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant, where sine and cosec are positive, cos is negative, and you know the value of cos 30 is minus root 3 divided by 2. Okay. And suppose we find tan 135, the value of tan 135. Tan 135. 0, 90, 180, 270. 135 lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. First we convert 135 using reduction formula, that is 180 minus 45. You know, tan 180 minus theta is same function, first you write, that is tan theta. Theta corresponds to 45. Then check the sign of the function. 180 minus mean they lies in second quadrant, where sine and cosec are positive, tan is negative, and therefore we get answer. You know the tan value, tan 45 is, answer is 1. That is tan 135, answer is minus 1. Okay. Sine of 210, sine 210, sine 210. Sine 210 lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. So first we, using reduction formula, first we write 210 as 180 plus 30. 210 as 180 plus 30 is equal to, which is of the form sine of 180 plus theta. You know sine 180 plus theta, first you sine 180 plus theta, first you write the same function, that is sine theta, theta corresponds to 30, and 180 plus theta means they lies in which quadrant? They lies in third quadrant. You know all silver teacups, third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, our sine is negative, and therefore the answer is sine 30 1 by 2, and therefore sine 210, value of sine 210 is minus 1 by 2. Similarly, we want to find this tan of 240. 0, 90, 180, 270. 240 lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. First we convert tan 240 as 180 plus 60 is equal to, you know tan 180 plus theta, we get the same function, that is tan theta, that is tan 60. They lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant, where tan is positive. Equal to, we get answer. The value of tan 60, answer is root 3. Suppose if I want to find cos 300. Cos 300. Cos 300, that means cos 300 lies in which quadrant? It's the fourth quadrant. And therefore, cos of 300 can written as 360 minus 60. 360 minus 60. We got 272, 360. 360 minus 60, we get 300. You know, cos 360 minus theta is same function. We get answer, that is cos 60. And the sign of the trigonometry function, all silver teacups, your cos and sec are positive, you get plus cos 60. What is a cos 60? His answer is 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now, some lengthy questions will be discussed. That is, our question is, prove that sine 120 into cos 150, Sin 120 into cos 150 plus cos 120 into sin 150 equal to minus 1. Prove that sin 120 into cos 150 plus cos 120 into sin 150 is equal to minus 1. Okay, first we find sin 120. Sin 120 is equal to, using reduction formula, first you write 120 as 180 minus 60. Sin 180 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 180 minus theta, sin theta, and there lies which quadrant? 180 minus mean, here 180 is 90. 0, 180 minus mean there lies in second quadrant, sin is positive, plus the value of sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2. Then cos 150 is equal to cos of, similarly 180 minus 30. You know, cos 180 minus theta, same function, that is cos theta, that is cos 30, but the sign of the trigonometry function, second, there lies in second quadrant, where cos is negative, that is minus cos 30 is equal to minus of, the value of cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. Then cos 120 is also equal to cos of 180 minus 60 is equal to, we get answer cos 60. 180 minus mean there lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant, therefore negative, the value of cos 160 is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 answer. Then last, sin 150 is equal to sin of 180 minus 30 is equal to, there lies in second quadrant, sin is positive, and plus sin 30, answer is 1 by 2. Now the left side, sin 120 into cos 150 plus cos 120 into sin 150 is equal to, you know, sin 120 is root 3 by 2 into minus root 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 into 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus root 3 into root 3, 3 divided by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 4 by 4 is equal to, we get answer minus 1. It's very simple. Using reduction formula we prove this value. Okay. Now write one more question similar to this type of question. Now prove that cos 120 into cos 150, cos 120 into cos 150 plus, minus sin 120 into sin 150 equal to 0. Cos 120 into cos 150 minus sin 120 into sin 150 equal to 0. Okay. 0 is 90 and 180. Okay. You know, cos 120 is equal to cos of 180 minus 60 is equal to, there lies in second quadrant, same function, that is minus cos 60. The value of cos 60 is minus 1 divided by 2. Then cos 150 is equal to cos of 180 minus 30 is equal to minus cos 30 is equal to, we get answer minus root 3 by 2. Because you know cos 30, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2, there lies in second quadrant. So we get negative sign. Then sin 120 equal to sin of 120 means 120 but 180 minus 60 is equal to sin 60 is a positive because they lies in second quadrant. You know the value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Then sin 150, and last we find sin 150 equal to sin of 180 minus 30. There lies in second quadrant. You get the same function, that is sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Now you take the left side, that is cos 120 into cos 150 minus sin 120 into sin 150 equal to, you know, cos 120 is minus 1 by 2 into cos 150 is minus root 3 by 2 minus sin 120, that is root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 equal to 0. That's all, we get answer. Okay, that's all today's class. Our next class we will discuss how to find the values of trigonometry function. It's greater than 360. Okay, and our homework question will be given to our class group. If you have any doubt, please clarify it through my WhatsApp. Okay, that's all. Bye.